Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sync iPhone contacts with iCloud. Let's get started. First, open Settings, unlock your iPhone, then tap the Settings app. Then at the top of the setting, tap your name to access Apple ID settings. This section includes iCloud, media and purchases, and device information. Then tap the iCloud and you'll see a list of apps using iCloud. Find contacts in the list, then toggle it on. Then you may see a prompt asking where to merge contacts with iCloud to combine local contacts with cloud. Now open the Contacts app, pull down to refresh and check that all contacts appears. You can also log into iCloud.com to verify that your contacts are syncing. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.